Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. Today I am in my former dining room. I am going to show you how I decorated it for fall. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. If you are here for the first time, let me take this moment to say welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning, and DIY videos. If you are into these things, I am asking you to please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. Without further ado, let me show you what I have in here. Starting with the place setting, I have a placemat. It is very pretty, very leafy. I purchased it from Home Goods. I really like it. And it says gather. It is very leafy, of course in gold. Yeah, I know I love gold. I am not using a charger. Instead, I use a big white plate. This plate is so huge. It is a classic. I always use it like a charger, even if it's a dinner plate, because when I use a charger, it's always too big for the charger. But anyway, it is really beautiful. It is a classic. I always encourage you guys to have a stock of white plates because they never go out of style. They always look so elegant and even glam. Then I have a salad plate. It is a very pretty plate as well. This plate can be used as both a salad plate or a dinner plate. It all depends on what's going on with the table setting. But we all know I am not serving dinner in this setting. This is just for fun. The next thing that I added is this smaller plate, okay, with some very nice, beautiful pattern. And of course, it has the gold rim to cut all the white that I have going on. It is very nice as well. It is fall season. We know we're gonna be drinking a lot of soup. I added this beautiful, really nice bowl. I got them from Home Goods. Very nice, very beautiful shape. I haven't seen them this year, but last year I did see them. There it is. It is very nice. Okay, you guys, when it comes to my napkins, I always have a little problem. Why? Because most of the time when I go look for napkins, I always find those that I like are always white. Whenever I look for something colorful, I could never find it. Last week when I went to Burlington, I found a beautiful shower curtain. I thought it was very pretty for a shower curtain, but I also look at it, I'm like, this thing would look really nice as a napkin, as a table napkin. So I've decided to use it and DIY it as a napkin, and I really love it. And then we know we always have to add something glam. I added these beautiful, gorgeous pumpkin shape napkin rings, also from Home Goods. They are like jewelry for my napkins. But I only have 4 of them. For my 2 settings in the middle, I'm using these ones. They are from Amazon. For my silverware set, I bought my beautiful silverware set from Amazon. They are in brown and gold. I really like them. It has a 5 pieces setting. It has the 2 forks, a small spoon on top, of course the knife and the big spoon. Link for everything that I purchased from Amazon will be in the description box. For my glassware, I keep it very simple. All I have is a clear wine glass. I purchased it from Macy's many years ago, but you can find similar ones on Amazon, Home Goods, or even the dollar store. I will leave a link for some clear wine glass from Amazon. I love my plate setting. I think it is so gorgeous, so festive. If I was using it for guests, I think it would definitely wow them. For my centerpiece, I started with a very beautiful leafy brown warner that I purchased also from Home Goods. As you can see, the majority of the things that I'm showing you guys are from Home Goods. Okay, it is very nice. I really like it. I'm gonna be honest, table warner is not so much in style lately. A lot of the new design are coming out with no table warner, but I kind of like table warner, so a lot of time I'm using it because when I look at the look, it didn't look so good in my opinion without the table warner. To spice things up a little bit, I added a beautiful candle taper holder also from Home Goods. I need to spray paint it so it can look better. As you can see, the gold is coming off a little bit, but it's fine for now. It doesn't bother me. Next time I use it, before I use it, I will spray it again. Later on, I added a small piece of paper at the bottom of each candle. As you can see in the first images that I showed, they were crooked a little bit. Although that does not resolve the problem completely, but it helps. On the side of the candle, I have two brown vases. They are simple, but I think that they are also very pretty. I got them from Hobby Lobby. I got a small one and a big one. If I had planned on using them on my dining table, I would probably get the exact same size, but I just bought them just to use. I did not have any plan for them. Y'all know when it comes to my fall flowers, I like Joanne a lot. These fall flowers are from Joanne. My dining room is set up for 8 sittings, but right now I only set it up for 6. By the big chairs, I have a beautiful, gorgeous candle holder from Home Goods. Next to it, I have a very nice pumpkin from Home Goods. This is a setting that you can even use while you are setting up your table for an actual dinner. On the chair, yeah, no, I have to bring something extra. I have a beautiful throw from Home Goods. It is really nice. On the Credenza, I kept it somewhat minimal. I have these tulips. These are from Tuesday morning. They were on my last dining room setup video. They are simple, cute. I bought them on sale for only $40. Of course, I have a super glam tray at the bottom from Home Goods. I have a bunch of little pigs sitting inside of the tray, making something cute. All right. The pigs are from Happy Labby, of course. And then I have my 10 pumpkin. I got this pumpkin from Mrs. Backstage a little while ago. Okay, and then I have another pumpkin. This one is from Home Goods, super glam pumpkin. And then I have a very nice, a beautiful candle holder, a candle pillar, should I call it? It's in glass. It looks like it's broken, but it is not broken. Other things that I have on the tray are these dry leaves. I really like them. I purchased them from Amazon last year. I truly believe they are a great accent for fall, and they are different. And then I have a beautiful jar from Z Gallery. Inside of it, I have some gold grass. I did not show it to you guys, but that's what I have in there. In the corner, I have a statement tree. I purchased it from Home Goods. And the pot that I am using is from HomeSense. The curtains and the curtain hooks are from Amazon. Please check out the description box for the links. Guys, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about my dining room fall decor. As for me, I really like it. I think it is beautiful. It is very festive. It has all the beautiful colors that we like for fall. But I still want to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend, a family member, and on your social media pages. A big thank you to all of you for stopping by today. Remember to hit your subscribe button before you leave and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. I look forward to seeing you all on my next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.